Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce the cloud contamination in Landsat 8 imagery in Google Earth Engine. So now let's get started. So to reduce the cloud contamination in Landsat 8 image, we're going to import our Landsat 8 image into Earth Engine. So for that we defined a variable called dataset equals to .image collection Landsat LC08 collection 2 tier 1 top of the atmosphere. And next we're going to filter with a specific date, that is filter.date 2017 January 1, 2017 December 31st. And next we're going to filter with a specific study area. So for that we define .filter bound study area. So here you can able to see that we have created a study area using this particular option called draw a rectangle. So let me first delete my study area here. I'm going to click this option called edit layer properties, and in that we're going to click this option called delete. So I've deleted my study area. I'm going to create a new one. So click this option called draw a rectangle. So now we're going to draw a rectangle over this study area here. So I'm going to enter. So you can able to see that variable geometry has been created. I'm going to enter as study area. So I have created a study area. So now I have entered a study area. So next, to create a visualization parameter, we defined a visualization parameter for Landsat 8 imagery variable true color. So true color 432 equals to dataset.select band 4, band 3 and band 2. We are selecting band 4, band 3 and band 2 from Landsat 8 image. And next we're going to set a true color composite, that is set a visualization parameter. So for that we define a variable called true color 432 vis, that is visualization. We are setting with a minimum value of 0 and to a maximum value of 0.4. So which represents the brightness and contrast of the satellite image. We define this particular minimum of 0.0 and to a maximum of 0.4. And next, to add this layer to visualize the Landsat 8 image, we define map.add layer true color 432, that is vis represents visualization, and output the layer name as true color 432. So now let me run this code. Navigate to this option run, click run script, and now here we have a layer true color composite. So you can able to see that we have a lot of cloud contamination for this specific study area here. So you can able to visualize the different tiles of image in this particular study area. So you can able to observe the different tails for this specific study area, the Landsat 8 image tails here. So now we're gonna filter with the least cloud contaminated image. So for that we're gonna define .sort cloud cover. So now I have defined .sort cloud cover. We are accessing the metadata property of this particular Landsat 8 image. In that we are selecting the first image. So that is .first function represent. We are gonna select the first image because the first image is of least cloud contaminated image. So for that we define .sort cloud cover, and next we are defining .first function. So now we're gonna run this. We're gonna click this option called run, and we're gonna visualize the result now. So for this specific year 2017, so we have generated an image here. So now we have generated an image here. We're gonna zoom it. So you can able to view the image here. So now the image is currently in true color composite. You can able to see that. So now we have able to generate an image of least cloud contaminated Landsat 8 image compared to the previous image which had a lot of cloud contamination. So and the code will be given in the description. So in this video I have shown you how to reduce cloud contamination in Landsat 8 imagery in Google Earth Engine. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.